So I have about 2 pounds of winter chanterelles here, and we are getting them ready to put into the conserve for the next batch of mushrooms to put by. So we're going to raise the pH of this, change it from a not safe to a safe, and so you can go up or you can go down. So you can go salty or you can go sour. And we've gone sour with the last bunch. This time I'm going to go salty. So these are going to be salty mushrooms, the Norwegian way. And then we are going to add a little bit of vinegar. The wine vinegar is really nice. But rather than making them pickly, they're going to be salty. So I'm making some salty goodies. And they're going to be amazing. I just know it because mushrooms and salt, come on, delicious. Okay, so we're adding quite a bit of salt to this. And so you're going to have to rinse them before you use them. Or you can use them like salt. There we go. I'm going to can those up.